Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, high-protein, super creamy, super quick and easy, super healthy, plant-based butter made with whole foods but tastes like a French beurre salé. So good! So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, pour half a cup of any nut or seed butter into a bowl. Along with a quarter cup of plant-based milk. And just a pinch of sea salt. Next, mix it until it gets firm and super creamy like butter. Now let it cool in the fridge and enjoy a super creamy and super healthy plant-based butter. Thanks for watching.